Hello everyone, welcome to the video. Today we are going to show you different artifacts. Let's begin with the first one. First we are going to show you how we can make a line. You just have to make a circle, then the curvier line over the circumference and then the small ears, eyes, whiskers, and it's time to make the body. You can just pause the video and follow the each step properly. Let's move further towards our another artifact. Here first you just have to make the two ears. After that you just have to make a round circle as apparent on your screen. Then fill it with the cheeks and the eyes. This is actually a frog that we are going to make. This look so good and so cute. It's very simple and best suitable for the small kids between the age group of 9 to 10. Fill it with green color. Let's now move further with our another activity. For this one, you just have to first make the ears type of the area, then you just have to make the body, you just have to make some of the curves in the opposite directions, and then you just have to make the rest of the features of this pair. This activity is again very simple. You can definitely give this one a try. We will now move further and try to make the rabbit. For this one, you just have to make first the long ears that are the cylindrical one, and after that some of the round body. You can see how we are creating some of the number 3 type of the image one after the another. At the center it's holding a carrot. Let's now move further and try to make a piggy cartoon character. For this one, you just have to make a circle and you can see how we are creating some of the lines, some of the circles. Small tiny ears are also to be made. Now we will focus on the body of this piggy. This activity is very simple. First, you just have to make a circle. After that, you just have to write down the number 6, 2 in number and in two opposite directions also. After that, you just have to make circular ears over the head area, then the rest of the features. It looks so cute. We will now move further with our another activity. First, we are going to make a half circle under which we are going to create some more C shapes, and then we are going to make the rest of the body of this dolphin. This activity is very simple and it's playing with a ball. For this one, you just have to make this curvier line as apparent on your screens. We are using here a marker. You can first trace it down with the help of the pencil. After that, you can just outline it with the help of a bold marker because you can be able to just avoid the mistakes. Let's move further towards our another activity. First, you just have to make a small circle and after that, you just have to make the rest of the features. This is very cute tiny animal that we are going to make today. You just have to make a bushy tail. Let's now move towards our another activity. We have made trace down the actually the 6 circles, and now we are going to convert them into different animals. The first one we have made is a panda, the second one is a tiny cute little bear, then is the monkey, and after that is a crab and the big fat hen. Last but not the least is a cute tiny owl. Let's now move towards our another activity. You just have to write down the number 2 and 2, smaller and the bigger one. After that, you just have to join them together by making some of the curvier lines that are apparent on your screens. It's going to represent a shark. You just have to trace down the number 3, or which you just have to make some of the bulging parts from the front area. You just have to make a trunk and you just have to make some creases over the trunk as if it's bending. And after that, the rest of the features of the elephant like the limbs and the tail are to be made. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos.